Beer bar bike. Imagine riding through the city. Not in a car, not on a regular bike, but on a bar. Yes, an actual beer bar bike. This isn't your typical bicycle. It's a multi-seater, pedal-powered party on wheels, designed to bring people together, sip drinks, and enjoy the ride, all at once. Built for fun and built for groups, the beer bar bike features a central bar counter, bar stool-style seats, and even a built-in draft beer tap system. Riders sit around the bar, pedal in unison, and cruise through streets, parks, or special event routes, turning heads wherever they go. You'll often spot these bikes at bachelor and bachelorette parties, birthdays, city tours, or even corporate team-building events. It's a social experience like no other. Music, onboard, lights, of course, vibes, always on point. And don't worry, there's usually a designated driver on board, someone steering and keeping things safe so everyone else can focus on having a blast. Glide cycle run like never before. What if you could run faster, farther, and with less impact on your joints? Meet the glide cycle, a one-of-a-kind invention that lets you run while being partially suspended in the air. The secret is in its unique suspension frame, which supports your body weight and gives you the feeling of gliding as you move. It combines the natural motion of running with the efficiency and support of cycling. Originally designed for rehabilitation and low-impact training, the glide cycle quickly caught attention from athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and even outdoor adventurers. It's perfect for those recovering from injuries or just looking for a fun, new way to move. With your feet still touching the ground, you power the glide cycle by running, but it feels almost effortless. Think of it like running on the moon, but with the freedom of riding a bike. Invisible bike. The see-through ride. That looks unreal. At first glance, you might think this is CGI, but it's not. What you're seeing is a real transparent bike, built by a dedicated creator from Hong Kong. With a mix of patience, passion, and serious craftsmanship, this inventor managed to make almost every part of the bike, including the chain, completely see-through. The build process wasn't exactly quick. Assembling something this unique took quite a bit of time and effort. Now, is it super practical? Maybe not, but that wasn't the point. The creator made it clear. This wasn't just about riding. It was about inspiring people and showing what's possible when creativity meets engineering. Think of it more as a rolling piece of modern art than a daily commuter. That said, transparent bikes are becoming a reality. Functional versions have already been spotted on roads in the United States, proving that even the wildest ideas can eventually find their place in the real world. So next time you see a blur of clear plastic cruising by, you'll know. It's not your eyes playing tricks on you. Little Johanna, the giant bike that defies logic. Some people build bikes, and then there's the creator of Little Johanna, who decided to go massive. This beast of a bike weighs over 4,850 pounds. Yes, you heard that right. In my spare time, I build strange cars and bicycles, the inventor says. And this might be his strangest yet. Despite its over-the-top size, Little Johanna is surprisingly functional. The builder managed to get it moving at speeds of up to 11.2 miles per hour. How? With some serious gear work, 35 gears in the front and 7 in the back, just to keep it under control. To make pedaling this monster easier, it even allows you to power it with just one hand. And to improve stability, a third wheel was added, because 2 simply weren't enough. As for the first test ride, the inventor claims it went smoothly. No brakes needed. But that leaves us wondering. Minson skate bike. Half skateboard, half bike, all fun. Ever wondered what the child of a bicycle and a skateboard might look like? Well, meet the Minson skate bike, a quirky engineering marvel that blends the single wheel of a bike with the balance of a skateboard. This unusual ride actually has some history. Back in the 1980s and 90s, skate bikes were a hit with young riders. They often came with bright, colorful stickers and looked like a child's tricycle flipped backwards, minus the handlebars. The original models had no steering system. You controlled everything with your body by leaning and shifting your weight. It was all about balance and skill. But in 2007, things got an upgrade with the SQRL series, which introduced a handle for better control. This made the skate bike not only easier to ride, but also opened the door to tricks like wheelies and quick turns. Then came the Quacks version in 2015, designed with kids in mind. It's lightweight at just 16.7 pounds, can support riders up to 132 pounds, and works great for both balance training and casual cruising. The Minson skate bike may look odd, but it's packed with nostalgia, creativity, and a whole lot of fun. Stance bike, a two-wheeled showstopper. If this bike looks familiar, it's probably because you remember the Stance trike, the wild three-wheeled machine with its low-slung frame and unique rear-wheel setup that we featured not too long ago. Today, we're checking out its two-wheeled sibling, the Stance bike. Built in the UK, this custom masterpiece stands out with a special suspension system that lets you raise or lower the rear wheel. It's got serious lowrider vibes, but without the sparks. The suspension travel is so impressive, it can actually lift the rear wheel off the ground, allowing the entire bike, rider included, to gracefully lean and rise. Add in that eye-catching paint job, and you've got a ride that's just as stylish as it is unique. Manta 5, the world's first hydrofoil e-bike. What if you could ride a bike on water? Meet the Manta 5, the world's first hydrofoil electric bike that lets you cycle across lakes, rivers, and even the ocean. Powered by a lightweight electric motor and supported by underwater hydrofoils, the Manta 5 lifts above the surface as you pedal, giving you the sensation of flying over water. It's like a mix between cycling, surfing, and pure science fiction. This high-tech water bike is made from carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum, making it strong, fast, and surprisingly agile. With variable assist modes, both beginners and pros can enjoy the ride, whether you're gliding through calm lakes or taking on light ocean swells. You can launch it from the beach, a dock, or even deep water. And yes, you can fall off and get back on without needing to return to shore.